How many parents out there actually experience fear when you speak? How many of you know that public speaking is foundational to your line of work? Over the last 5 years, I've been able to work with many students of all ages, both very young and those who are young at heart, and I've been able to help them develop compelling presentational skills. I have trained with top voice coaches from London, New York, Vancouver, and Toronto. I have a master's degree in performance and I have 20 years experience on a professional stage. I also have a certification in the National Voice Intensive in Vancouver. As we go more and more online, soft skills will be paramount to learn, particularly those who are going to be our future leaders. I believe my training has helped me prepare for this day to teach. You cannot buy confidence on Amazon. My passion is to empower young people of today and prepare them for tomorrow. As my own coach once said, be passionate, political, personal, thought-provoking, and precise.